Good morning. Nomor tahun ini aku pokoknya tekniknya di bohong ya. Maaf, itu besok ekspor dari bidang pengumpulan apa? Hal talking completely is right. How is this the to is capable to why by it that is not to the what is three advice now but kalau kita bisa amar to promotion करना है तो company के हम यार ये benefit तक करें तो this profitable activity that momentum to after 2 weeks. by the public.
Morning. I will.
May it please your worship.
Just a second. We just adjust this. Yes, please.
My lord, I beg to mention hearing item 32.
What
I'm
do you
yet to
want?
receive hearing item 32.
What do you want?
I pray for 3 weeks' time
You are for
for the state respondent.
the. Have you taken consent?
Yes, ma'am.
You are for the petitioner? Any objection? As prayed for by Mr.
LD Sangdam.
So and so learned senior counsel,
Additional
learned additional AG. List this matter
after 3 weeks.
after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. This is item number.
32.
All
Not
right.
sure.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 3. Here I am the petitioner. Your Lordship, there are certain,
Reply is supposed to be filed.
uh,
You're supposed to file a reply.
yes, Your Lordship, certain
What
developments have come up, and the petitioners, they were supposed to come to Kohima. However, due to personal difficulties, they were not able to
Wait,
come.
this is the contempt matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Wait.
So,
Yes, wait for your turn.
okay,
It will reach. Wait for your turn.
okay,
Yes.
Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 20, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, this matter may be kindly listed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are
For the state, Your Lordship. I have taken the consent of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
this is only for representation, non-consideration of the representation for regularization.
Yes, Your Lordship, but Your Lordship, in a similar matter, SLP has been filed by the state and
All right, your name?
in a holy, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by MS
In a holy, Your
and
Lordship.
Holy Learned State Council.
Yes, Your
With
Lordship.
consent from the other side, list this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item 14, Your Lordship. Here,
Yes, what do you
I'm-
want?
item 14, Your Lordship.
It's a
After-
hearing matter. What do you want, ma'am?
Yes, Your Lordship, after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are for the government?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm
Who
mentioning.
is there
okay.
for the petitioner?
Your Lordship.
Any objection?
My lord, actually, they are supposed to produce a document which has been going on for some time. So this may be the last opportunity. Your
Your Lordship, I'm praying on behalf of additional AG. He's
So
here to
that
receive.
I'm not concerned for
yes, Your
on
Lordship.
whose behalf you are making the prayer, but
Yes,
it
Your
is the
Lordship.
fixation of pay equivalent matter, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, you can't go on taking time. It's 2019 matter.
He's here to receive instructions. So kindly grant 2 weeks, Your Lordship. In 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks, Your Lordship, I will not object, but I hope they will also make an effort.
Lima, give me item 14.5. Your name?
In a holy, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so, Learned State Council on behalf of
MT Imsong,
Learned
additional AG.
additional AG, Mr. So-and-so, seeks for the 2 weeks' time to produce the document, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Produce the document as called for
My lord,
by this court earlier.
my lord.
Stop. Prayer is allowed. It is needless to be clarified that no further adjournment shall be granted, considering the matter pertaining to the year 2019. Stop. Where you said, can you please read out the order?
Ms. Learned State Council on behalf of in-team song, 186 for the 2 weeks time to produce document. as
No,
per-
not document, to produce the full copy of the report of the committee on pay anomalies.
My lord.
And then don't say as
As
called
called
for.
for.
No need.
Bless you, Lordship.
Your Lordship, also back to mention item 15 and 16, Your Lordship. Here, I've taken the consent of the petitioner, Your Lordship. It may be listed after a week. Your Lordship,
Yes,
we have no objections.
as prayed for by MS so-and-so, Learned Government Council, list this matter with consent from the other side, list this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes,
Your Lordship, item 17 as well, Your Lordship. After a week, Your Lordship.
here you're appearing or someone else is appearing?
I'm mentioning on behalf of my colleague, she's indisposed.
Since yesterday, I'm noticing you're only making mentioning on behalf of your colleagues.
Your Lordship,
Why are your colleagues not before this court?
she's indisposed, Your Lordship.
Huh?
She's indisposed.
Either someone is indisposed or someone is not in station.
Yes, Your
Huh?
Lordship.
Item 17.
Yes, Your
Even this is a 2019 matter, termination matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
These
After a
are
week,
small matters. Why should these matters be unnecessarily dragged?
after a
If
week, Your
state is
Lordship.
not prepared, if you are also a state council, all that you have to do is assist the court on the basis of the records that is available.
Yes, Your
You
Lordship.
must make alternative arrangement. You can't merrily go on taking time on the ground that your colleagues are not before this court. You all are state council. Are you not a state council?
I am, Your Lordship.
Then,
Yes, Your Lordship.
yes,
I have no objection, Your Lordship, but let it be after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
as prayed for by MS so-and-so Learned State Council on behalf of so-and-so Learned. On behalf of
Livika, Livika.
what position?
Uh,
Learned,
Junior government advocate.
senior government advocate?
Junior.
Junior.
Yes, Your
You
Lordship.
don't even know that. Junior government or senior government?
Junior, I said
Junior
junior.
government advocate, list this with consent from the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your
After
Lordship.
that, you say it is needless to be clarified that since the matter pertains to the year 2019, no further adjournment shall be granted to the government.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, item 20,
See,
19.
it's still
19
going on.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Your Lordship, item 19, my colleague is appearing in court 1, Your Lordship, so I'm mentioning on her behalf, Your Lordship. After 3 weeks, Your Lordship, she was supposed to file an affidavit in this matter.
it's a
So,
compassionate appointment matter.
yes, Your Lordship. On
Let the
last-
matter be called. I will see what is to be
Okay,
done.
Your Lordship.
Yes,
And Your Lordship, item 21, Your Lordship, this is also
termination. Yes.
after a week.
Why?
Your Lordship, I'm mentioning on behalf of my colleague Livika, who's in this.
Let's see, let's see. We will see when the matters are called. Yes,
Your Lordship, item 29 as well, on behalf of Livika, Your Lordship.
we'll see when the matter is called. Yes, call the list.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 18. Kindly allow the matter to be listed on Thursday as my senior counsel is indisposed.
You are for the,
Respondent 1 and 2.
and have you taken consent from
Yes, Your
the,
Lordship.
as prayed for by MS so-and-so Learned Council for the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 with consent from the other side, list this matter on Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I may be allowed to mention item number 13, my lord.
1-3.
Yes, my lord. My lord, here, I was,
Service,
yes, my
this
lord,
is an order matter. You wait for your turn. Orders, wait for your turn.
my lord.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36, Your Lordship. Hearing. Lordship, here, the leading counsel, M. Das Gupta, is from Delhi, Gauhati, Your Lordship. So today he has some personal difficulty to appear before this honorable court. So after, we have taken the consent from the other party also.
this is a POXO matter.
Lordship, yes,
Informant is served.
Lordship,
I'm representing
yes.
You're
the informant
representing
as
the
as
informant.
amicus, Lordship.
All right. When do you want it?
5th of December, Lordship.
You are making the prayer on behalf of the appellant counsel,
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
M. Das Gupta.
As as prayed for on behalf of Mr.
M. Das Gupta,
M. Dasgupta,
Lordship.
Learned Senior Counsel.
No, Lordship.
Learned Counsel, list this matter on
5th of December.
5/12/2024.
Obliged, Lordship.
With consent you add, huh?
Lordship, I can beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship. Item number 6.
6 is, yes, what do you want in 6?
Lordship, here, I'm appearing on behalf of the counsel for the respondent, Your Lordship. My senior PP Paul.
You are Vero.
Lordship, Lordship,
You are Mr. Vero.
Lordship, Method.
Yes. What do you want?
This matter can come up after 1 week, Lordship, since he's indisposed to Your Lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, Your
Any
Lordship.
objection?
No, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. Medovero, learned counsel for the respondent with consent from the other side, list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much obliged. Your Lordship, I can back to mention item number 22 to 25, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the council for the appellant in Juba. Your Lordship, here, the
Yes.
council's wife is going through cancer treatment, Your Lordship, in Gauhati. So
Mr. Vero, you are appearing for whom here?
appellant, Your Lordship, council for the
Appellant.
appellant, Your Lordship.
As prayed by Mr.
Medovero.
Medovero,
Medovero.
learned counsel for the appellant, consent from the respondent, list this matter after 2 weeks on a
Three
date to
weeks,
be, 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Lordship, I can back to mention item number 37, Your Lordship.
How many more?
Last one, Lordship.
Hmm.
Last one. Lordship,
Yes.
here I'm appearing above the council for the claimant respondent, Your Lordship. Bian Sharma, who's going through medical treatment in Gauhati, Your Lordship. Lordship, so I appreciate this matter may come up. The
Appellant,
claimant respondent,
claim and
Your
respond.
Lordship.
You are for the appellant?
Yes,
Any
Lordship.
objection? As prayed for by Mr.
Medovero.
Mero, learned counsel for the respondent stroke claimant with consent from the appellant, list this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Now, can we call the list? You have a mention?
Yes.
Yes.
My lord. My lord, item number 5.
Wait,
Okay.
wait, it'll be called.
Lordship, then item 34, hearing item 34.
Yes.
I've taken the consent of the petitioner, Lordship. If
Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
the matter may kindly be listed day after tomorrow, Thursday, Lordship.
You are for the government council?
Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr.
K. Angami,
K. Angami, learned
senior government.
senior government advocate with consent from the other side, list this matter this Thursday
Lordship.
or next Thursday?
Lordship, if my lord can accommodate
All
this
right,
Thursday.
Thursday.
Your Lordship, there's an interim.
Interim if any shall continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship.
Yes,
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'd like to mention from the hearing item number 29.
29.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulties. If this can be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are for
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
your name.
Shista Jamir, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by MS so-and-so Jamil, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after
2 weeks, Your
2
Lordship.
weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 30.
Item number?
30, 30.
All right, 29 and 30, same.
Much
Yes.
obliged, Your Lordship.
For motion from the supplementary post list, item number 38.
Can I have the file, please? Why you're not giving it from here? It is difficult, no? This is that yesterday's matter,
Your Lordship.
340 proceedings.
Yes, Your
Did you
Lordship.
go through?
Yes, Your Lordship, I did.
Can I have a CRPC here, please? Yes. What is the scope and ambit of 340 proceedings? How it is to be initiated?
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, the court has to first consider the allegations, Your Lordship, and form an opinion, Your Lordship. Thereafter,
Yes. So which is, did you get a copy of that?
Yes, Your
case law?
Lordship.
Can I have a look at it? Please give
I
it.
have an extra copy.
This is the second court, right? You are before the second court. What is the allegation?
Lordship, the allegation is that the respondent has made false statements, has placed forged
Just one
Photoshop.
sec. Anyway, yes,
that he has placed forged, photoshopped documents and placed before his honorable court.
before which court?
This court, Your Lordship, in criminal petition number 18 of 2023 and criminal petition number 37 of 2023. Before this court, which is pending before this court, Your Lordship.
Where are those?
Lordship, I have annexed the criminal petition at Annex 2, which starts from page 20 to 120. From 20
Yes,
to
where,
120.
which is the document you are saying is forged?
Lordship, the documents are from page 51 to 67, Your Lordship.
Page
51 onwards till 67, and the type copies are from 103 to 119.
51 to
51 to 67, your lordship.
These are some money receipts.
Yes, your lordship.
According to you, these are forged.
These are all
Why?
Photoshop documents because I did not sign any of this, your lordship.
No, but what is there to show that you have not signed?
Uh,
This is not your signature.
yes, your lordship.
The signature, which
are-
is, huh?
Yes, so these are all photoshopped and forged signature, your lordship. Lordship, this can be ascended from the fact that there's a WhatsApp messages, lordship. So the date of this receipt starts from 8/11. This is important, your lordship.
8/11/2018.
Yes, 8/11/2018 till 29/3/2019. 29/3/2019.
Yes.
The WhatsApp messages is from 3/6/19, your lordship. That is much
Three,
after the
three,
3/6/19 till 13/4/2020. This is much after the receipts.
what
In-
are these WhatsApp
In
messages?
the WhatsApp message, this person the respondent has agreed, it is through his registered phone number, your lordship. He has agreed that he has not paid, he will try to pay. It's there, your lordship.
Where are those?
It's from page 143 onwards, your lordship. 143 onwards, your lordship. I'll take your lordship to the
Yes,
second portion, your
yes,
lordship.
please.
Page 166, your lordship. This is a type copy. The original is at 165.
165.
Yes, your lordship. The original is at 155. The type is at
We'll
One-
try to deliver everything in a shorter period of time. That part.
165, your lordship, page.
Yes, yes.
We expect you to clear the issues relating, is that it, your lordship?
Yes, yes, I have it.
Yes, sir. Lordship, this is my message. This is my reply, your lordship. The response is just below, your lordship.
Okay, let the lockdown finish.
We'll try to deliver everything in a shorter period of time, your lordship.
This is
So
relating to
dated,
delivery.
yes, your lordship.
So
This is dated 13 April 2020. So the receipts, even the last receipts, it's 29/3/19.
but receipts shows that it has been delivered.
Yes, your lordship. So this receipts has been placed before this honorable court in the other criminal petition, your lordship, to show that the goods has been delivered. But this receipts is forged, your lordship, and Photoshop, your lordship. I did not sign any of this, your lordship. Thereafter, again, there's an undertaking also, your lordship.
So according to you, forged documents have been
Yes.
submitted.
Submitted before this court, your lordship.
But that a prima facie inquiry has to be done by this court.
Lordship. If
And how that inquiry has to be done?
lordship, that part,
Para 8 of that decision. Let's see para 8.
lordship.
You can start reading from para 7.
Para 7 onwards, your lordship.
Lima.
In-
Fan.
May I read, your lordship?
Yes.
7. In the above two cases, the scope, object, and the purport of section 340 of CRPC did not come up for consideration. In an instant case, the question for consideration would be whether an accused in a criminal case ended in acquittal and could make an application under section 340 CRPC praying the same court which acquitted him to initiate proceedings to prosecute some of the witnesses examined in the case for the prosecution for an offense under section 125 of CRPC, IPC. 8. Cognizance for an offense punishable under section 195 of IPC can only be taken on a complaint in writing by the court before which the alleged offense is committed or of some other court to which the court is subordinate and not otherwise in view of
One of the
section.
condition is that the court to which where this fraud has been committed. Now, according to you, this has been done before this court.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, continue reading.
A plain reading of subsections 1 and 3 of section 340 of the Code of Criminal Procedure make it clear that an application under that section can be made by the accused in a criminal case or anyone in relation to a proceeding in that court, as the case may be, praying the court to inquire and make a complaint in writing to prosecute certain persons for any of the offenses referred in clause B of subsection 1 of section 195 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Further, section 340 contemplates the procedure to be followed by the court on receiving such application. An offense under section 195 of the IPC is referred to in section 195(1)(b) CRPC. On an application under section 340 CRPC, the court is required to consider the application, and if it is of the opinion that it is expedient in the interest of justice that an inquiry should be made into any offense referred to in clause B of subsection 1 of the section 195 of CRPC, which appears to have been committed in or in relation to a proceeding in that court, or as the case may be, may proceed to make a preliminary inquiry, and thereafter the court is required to record a finding to that effect, make a complaint thereof in writing, and then send it to a magistrate of the first class having jurisdiction. An offense under section 195 of IPC is one of the offenses referred to in section 195(1)(b) 1 of CRPC, but the court on receiving an application under sections 340 CRPC cannot straight away proceed to issue notice against whom application is made. Yes, Your Lordship.
No, but you see, now there has to be some prima facie, because what you are trying to show before this court is that by relying on the WhatsApp messages,
There's one undertaking.
you are trying to show that these money receipts are forged, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And that you have not signed.
Yes, Your
But
Lordship.
that itself cannot be, this is what you are saying.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, it could be that these money receipts are relating to something else and that WhatsApp message is relating to something else. Now, if perhaps since you are saying that the signature in the money receipt
Yes, Your Lordship.
is not yours,
Yes, Your Lordship.
should this court first get that forensically examined and on a report, thereafter issue notice, because issuance of notice
Yes, Your Lordship.
is not something which can be done in a routine manner in a 340 proceeding,
Yes, Your Lordship.
right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are you appearing in this matter? Isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where are the averments to those money receipts? Those money receipts are annexed where?
It is.
Those money receipts which you have just referred,
Yes, Your
it is
Lordship.
annexed where?
It is annexed in the affidavit in opposition, my affidavit in opposition in the criminal petition, Your Lordship.
In their affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In criminal
Petition number 18 of 23.
criminal petition 18 of 23. And the WhatsApp messages are where?
In the affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
Same.
Yes, in the same.
Same affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In the same affidavit in opposition filed in criminal petition, both the money receipts and the WhatsApp
Yes, Your
messages are
Lordship.
there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, where are the pleadings to those?
Your Lordship.
Let's see what is the pleadings. And this affidavit is filed by one Mr. Laksan.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He is the private respondent.
In the case,
Yeah,
yes, Your Lordship.
private
Yes, Your
respondent. Yes. Take me to the averment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Das and Mr. Fukan,
Lordship,
take up your matter immediately after this.
Lordship.
Six, Your Lordship. Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6
Yes, Your Lordship.
at page 137.
No, Your Lordship, page 7. The
Huh?
advertisements in my
Page
page 7 of my petition, paragraph 6.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, paragraph 6, I stated that self-Photoshop, Your Lordship. Paragraph 6. May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. 7 also, Your Lordship.
Yes. All right,
Even
Uh,
8 also.
please take it down. Your name?
Esther, your lordship. Esther, your lordship.
Esther. I heard MS Esther, Learned Counsel